Hello everybody. I am going to make I did not yet have a dinner. I am going to make my dinner, so I'll cook the one that I have here since yesterday. No, so wait. Wait, guys, that one is garlic, no? Ay, this is what I said, that it's not really good, no? Hi, I'm done something here. What I have in lunch, I cook. This is what I have in dinner, because like what I said in my lunch, I cook is for dinner too. So look at this. This is but adobo, I did not eat the pork. So this is the the fish, dried fish with the calabasa, with the beans, that what I cook. And this one is what I make sorry, it's burn. So that this is what I eat today. And my it's already my rice is good, it's not burned. So good that I have a new cooking pot. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Let's eat. So thank you, God bless you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.